This is my high-protein casserole. It tastes cheesy, although it's whole food plant-based. Try it, it's definitely worth it.
Pour 750 milliliters of soy milk into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cashew butter and whisk it until it has dissolved. Add the following herbs and spices. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and 3 paprika powder, as well as half a teaspoon of ground mustard seeds, ground black pepper, and ground turmeric. Mix it together. Place 300 grams of whole grain noodles into a casserole dish and mix with half of the glaze. We're using red lentil noodles. Add 100 grams of mushrooms cut into small pieces, as well as 1 red bell pepper, washed and diced. Crush 2 garlic cloves and cut 1 onion into small pieces. Mix it all together. Add 500 grams of mixed vegetables cut into small pieces. We're using frozen vegetables to save some time. Add the rest of the glaze and mix it. Bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes in the middle of the preheated oven, top and bottom heat.
And as we say in Switzerland, Guetä.
Follow us for whole food plant-based recipes and videos on its health and beauty benefits.